The current generation Ram 1500 made its debut in 2019. Its predecessor, however, continues as the Ram 1500 Classic. Since then, the full-size pickup truck segment has seen recent entries from Chevrolet, Ford, GMC, and Toyota. However, only the Ram has earned a spot on the top 10 trucks and SUVs for 2023. The Ram 1500 is the best and most comfortable pickup in the group. 3 powertrain options populate the engine list: a 260 HP diesel-drinking turbocharged 3.0-liter V6, a 305 horsepower 3.6-liter V6, and a 395 HP 5.7-liter V8, all using an 8-speed automatic transmission. For even more firepower, look for the 702 horsepower Ram 1500 TRX, reviewed separately. The Ram's collapsible tailgate and lockable bed cargo box are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to this half-ton smarts. Ram also offers the 1500 with a giant 12.0-inch infotainment screen for those who really want to show off. With an impressive 12,750-pound max tow rating and a weight bias for luxury, the Ram 1500 is the favorite full-size pickup available today. This marks the last year the Ram will offer the 1500 with the available V6 diesel. New for 2023 is the Emergency Medical Services (EMS) limited edition trim. Part of the Ram's built-to-serve range, the EMS edition honors first responder heroes with a special design queue and a bedside United States flag sticker. Available in hydro blue or bright white, the 1500 EMS comes with a black front fascia and grille, 20-inch technical gray aluminum wheels and black exhaust tips. Inside, the EMS edition gets special front seat decorations. The Ram 1500 EMS comes standard with the 4x4 off-road group equipment package, which includes tow hooks, multiple underbody skid plates and an electronically locking rear differential. The Ram 1500 offers V6 and V8 petrol powertrains paired to a smooth shift 8-speed automatic transmission. Both engines are assisted by a 48-volt hybrid system, although the 5.7-liter Hemi V-8 is also available without power. Diesel engines are also available for 2023, although Ram intends to discontinue production of these engines in January 2023. Until then, the 260 horsepower V6 diesel is available under the hood of the 1500 Tradesman, Bighorn, Lone Star, Laramie, Limited Longhorn, and Trim. Limited. For the adventurous crowd, the rugged Rebel model provides a more rugged look and legitimate off-road capability. Every Ram 1500 has an impressive ride thanks to a rear suspension that uses standard coil springs or optional air springs, unlike the traditional leaf spring arrangement found on domestic rivals. Models equipped with air suspension even have an adjustable ride height, which aids fuel efficiency and off-road performance. The Ram 1500 can tow up to 12,750 pounds and carry payloads of up to 2,320 pounds. Its maximum towing capacity exceeds that of all but the Ford F-150, which currently tops out at 13,000 pounds. Rams with crew cab body styles, including the Rebel models, can't tow as much as the extended cab can. That said, the more passenger-friendly crew of 1,500 cabs can still tow north at 11,500 pounds. Inside, the Ram 1500 has highly functional storage space and ample passenger space. The taller trim adds upscale materials and comfort, making the Ram feel more like a luxury vehicle than a pickup truck. Most models are available with high-end features such as heated and ventilated seats and a panoramic sunroof, while the most luxurious versions have premium leather finishes and real wood accents. Like most full-size pickup trucks, the Ram 1500's crew cab is very spacious. It also has a large amount of interior storage and a unique folding rear door. A 5'7" and 6'4" cargo bed is available, but the extended cab body style only pairs well with the latter. Ram doesn't offer the 1500 with a regular cab, although it sells the previous generation truck, the 1500 Classic, with that body style. The Ram truck has had one of the best-in-class infotainment systems and connectivity features for a while. That continues in the latest trucks, which have a responsive 8.4-inch or optional 12.0-inch touchscreen that's available on all but the base Ram model. Both systems are compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even the larger touchscreen includes some redundant knobs and buttons.